Hi guys, welcome back to New Growth Naturals Hub. In this video, I will show you how to make a DIY carrot oil to protect your hair and your skin in the summer season. What are the benefits of carrot oil for your hair? One, it strengthens the hair. The beta carotene content in carrot oil, a precursor for vitamin A, which strengthens weak hair and promote healthy scalp. A healthy dose of beta-carotene also promotes hair growth. Over time, expect carrot oil to eliminate breakage completely. 2. It prevents split ends. Still on the beta-carotene content of carrot oil, it prevents split ends by protecting the hair from factors that lead to split ends such as dryness and exposure to the elements. Carrot oil can help hair grow fast and thicker. People who are looking to keep their hair long and avoid split ends may find that carrot oil helps. Carrot oil helps to prevent hair loss by making the roots stronger at the scalp. Secondly, the vitamins in carrot oil have protective effects from outdoor damage, shielding your hair from the harshest sun rays and environmental pollution. Carrot oil helps to stimulate the growth of new cells by applying carrot oil to your hair and scalp. Its natural source of vitamins A and E and beta carotene offers a much more needed moisture to dry scalp. Natural oils encourage your scalp to create more sebum, which moisturizes your hair and scalp and promotes overall hair health and shine. Massage the oil into your scalp 2 or more times per week. Now that my carrot is fully grated, I'm going to apply it to my bowl, after which I apply the olive oil to it, because in this DIY I'll be using the double boiler method, and to allow the oil to infuse into the carrot, or the carrot to be infused into the oil. So in this method, I'm using the extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any carrier oil of your choice, whether coconut oil, whether grapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. Carrot oil is very rich in vitamins and is a very effective skin moisturizer. The vitamin A in carrot oil is a highly effective vitamin source for skin renewal. Carrot oil also helps to soothe dry skin or irritated skin and helps in new cell regeneration, like soothing wrinkles and stretch marks. Carrot oil forms a protective coating on the skin, helping it to retain its moisture level. Carrot oil helps to remove moth caused by sweat, cigarettes, and bad fumes, etc., giving vitality to the skin. In addition, carrot oil is effective in curing skin eczema, protect the skin from the sun rays, hydrates dry skin, effective against early aging, and helps in softening the skin tissue. Now that my water is brought to a boil, I will let this sit in here for 20 to 30 minutes on very low flame until the carrot is infused into the oil. My oil was left on the stove overnight. So now that it's fully cooled, I'm gonna transport it or transfer it into a measuring cup, from which I'll put it into my applicator bottle. So for this purpose, you will need a measuring bowl or just a regular bowl, a strainer, but I'm using a spoon to try and prevent making a mess. Yeah, so for this, I'm trying to separate the carrot from the oil, after which I will transport it, or transfer it rather. I'm talking about transporting. I will just transfer it into my applicator bottle from here. I will use a funnel to get the oil into my applicator bottle, after which I will just close the bottle, shake it together, and show you the consistency of what my oil looks like. And guys, this oil has a very earthy smell, a natural smell. But if you guys don't like the earthy or the natural smell, you can put a few drops of essential oil, whether peppermint oil, whether cinnamon oil, whether rosemary oil, just to change the scent of it. But for me, it's just okay. I like the earthy, natural smell. And here you have it, guys. You see the consistency? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Until next time, bye. God bless you.